Hi, my name is Carolina Moyano. I'm from Argentina. I have been teaching Spanish for language trainers for 3 years already, and I love my job. I love having students from all parts of the world. You may have heard countless times that you should study Spanish, but why? What makes Spanish so important? Let me give you three main reasons. The first one, professional advantages. Learning Spanish can help you boost your professional career, especially if you're planning to do business with LATAM or Spain. Secondly, we have the travel benefits. If you're an avid traveler, knowing Spanish can help you, especially in countries such as Spain, Argentina, and besides, there is some information in these countries that is only in Spanish, such as menus or traffic signs. And thirdly, we have Spanish as a gateway to other languages that share the same origin, such as Italian, Portuguese, or French. So, how long does it take to learn Spanish? You will be surprised to learn that Spanish has been selected as one of the easiest languages for native English speakers. In order to achieve conversational fluency, it is required more or less between 600 and 750 hours of study. So, for someone that studies 1 hour a day, it is more or less expected that this person will achieve fluency in 20 months. For someone that studies 3 or 4 hours a day, this person will achieve fluency in as little as 6 to 8 months. If you are a beginner, it's important to memorize some fixed expressions that can help you boost your conversational skills. For example, hola, ¿cómo te va? Permiso, gracias, or if you're ordering food at a restaurant, quisiera una ensalada, por favor. Also, it is important to take into consideration other aspects of grammar that are very important in Spanish. For example, some nouns and adjectives change depending on the gender and the number, which is different from English. If I say la casa es bonita, casa and bonita are female and singular. Now if I say las casas son bonitas, casas and bonitas are female and plural. Then we have the verbs. The verbs are the trickiest part of Spanish, and it's important to take into account the tense, if it is present, past, future, the mood, if it is hypothetical or if it is real, and also the pronoun, because the verb changes depending on who we're talking about. For beginners, my suggestion is to study the main verbs, such as ser, estar, tener, poder, querer, among others. So, if you're thinking of studying Spanish, you should book your course with the language trainers. Here we offer a fully personalized approach to learning Spanish, designed to meet your goals, objectives, and also schedule. We have native teachers and also affordable and flexible prices. So, what are you waiting for?